All right, guys, we're back for today. Today's Tuesday. Okay, so again, we're doing the same thing as we were yesterday. We're going to be using the Envision book again. It looks like this. Okay. Again, I'm pulling my problem, my example today from page 408. But today, you guys are going to complete for independent work page 406. Okay, looks like this. And I will take pictures and put these in the task card for today, so you will have those page numbers, but just so you know what you're looking for, okay? All right, so let's look at another problem. Today we're going to use 835 minus 409. Okay, so this is the problem that we're going to be creating a word problem for. So remember again with subtraction, our bigger number on the top, that's how many we start with. So we start with 835 of something. Then we have to have something that happens that makes them go away. That's the subtraction. And we are going to lose 409 of these, okay? So let's think of something that we can put together for that. So let's say, I liked the apples last week. Let's go with apples again. So a farmer had 835 trees. So we have our first number, 835. That's how many we start with. Okay, so now something happens and we're going to take away 409 of them. Okay, so let's say he needed to cover them because it was going to get really cold and he wanted to save them. Okay, so he covered 409 trees. But he needs to cover all of them, right? So he can use this information to find out how many trees does he have left to cover. So how many trees are left for him to cover? All right, so we've got our three parts. We've got the number that we're starting with. We've got how many we're taking away, and then our question, what do we want to know? So let's set up our problem. 835 minus 409. All right, let's give ourselves our regrouping boxes. And we start in our ones place. So if we look in our ones place, we have 5 minus 9. If I only have 5 of something, can I take 9 away from here? No. So I'm going to have to go to my neighbor and I have to borrow some ones from him, right? So I go next door and I say, knock, knock, knock. Hey, neighbor, I need to borrow 10 of your ones. He says, all right. So he's got 2 groups of 10 left. And now I'm bringing 10 ones over to add to the 5 that I have. So 10 plus 5 gives me 15 ones now. So now if I have 15, can I take away 9? Yes. So let's solve. 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, now let's look in our tens place. 2 minus 0 is 2. I'm not taking any of those away. And then in my hundreds place, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 426 is my answer. But what does that mean? 426 what? I look back at my question. How many trees are left for him to cover? So there are 426 trees. All right, guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Remember, you're doing page 406.